Okay, so this is my situational awareness for March 10th, 2023. So, what I'm looking at here is the previous day 4%, or rather today, turned out to be bearish, and another indication that it is bearish is that this turned dark red. The 5-day ratio for today turned red as well, and we're kind of at an equilibrium of stocks up in a quarter, 25%, stocks down 25% in a quarter. And like I said in the previous video, we've been decreasing for some time, and we've also had signal for the amount of stocks that are down in a month going on for quite some time as well. So I marked my conviction towards bearish on that. 5-day ratio bearish. Still technically bullish for the primary market, but we're at equilibrium right now. 20% scans are telling me that it's choppiness. There's no specific direction each scan's going towards, so right now I think the market is just seeing a conversion of trend. I don't know how to say it, but I think the markets are starting to see a trend change, and we're right in the middle of it. No previous trades, because all the trades I have been taking are not congruent with the market. They're their own type of trades. But you could see really today the amount of stocks that made a previous, or the amount of stocks today that have made a move of $1 or 4% down compared to the closing price. Greatly outnumbered the amount of stocks that went up $1 or 4% compared to the previous closing price. So the market definitely decided to be bearish today. And yeah, that gave me the indication that we're also bearish with that. So overall, it's pretty much the same as yesterday's. Choppiness ahead, possibly. Most likely taking profits from selling, potentially more selling coming in the future. I pretty much had the same type of conviction. And I guess now we'll move on to the trade I did today, which I'm also not happy about. And I kind of went over this with myself and like thinking like, what's the problem? And it's just a time allocation problem. Again, I made the same mistake of not waking up at the right specific time that I want to. It gives me enough time to look at the actual price action of the stock and not just the fundamental analysis of each stock, because I'll go through dozens and dozens of different stocks. I get the 8K reports or the previous sales year over year change, the earnings surprise for that quarter. And I was like hurrying before to get everything done before the market without even really looking at the specific charts. So I entered this trade on another account because oh my gosh, I made another mistake at the open too. So this is, in my opinion, a leg up. Doesn't really show that much neglection, or that's not really a great sign for neglection. This is a good setup right here. Clear neglection for a specific period of time. Came after a waterfall. That's what I like to call it. Open above previous candles. Let's see the gap up below 12%. Enter at the open 4.6. Specific percentage stop. Exit 9. Good. But right here, not the best valley, I like to call it. Messy price action. And I entered at the open. Stop at a specific percentage point. And I was looking for an exit at 9. Marked. And yeah, that was a loss. There's another trade that did well today. What was it? Yes. I still do need to do more research on this type of setup, but opened a little past what I like to be comfortable with for gaps, but this is a beautiful setup from a price action standpoint. And that's something I might need to revisit in the future, is just the gap requirement and how much going over 12% really affects my win rate or overall return. I need more data, which I'm gonna do here pretty soon. So yeah, wash, valley, way above the wave, and a little over the gap requirement that I have currently. Enter at the open, which was 20.1. Gorgeous. Have a specific percentage stop. Exit at 9. Boom. Gorgeous fucking setup. Okay. So yeah. I also had a list of shorts I was looking at as well, but I never had the opportunity to look at them throughout the day, which is something else I need to improve on as well. So let's see what I had here. I didn't really go that much into depth with these for requirements. So right here, I'm not really liking the candles for the waterfall. So I would have entered this one. Okay, let's see this one. I would have liked this one to be the actual waterfall candle, but it doesn't meet the requirements anyways. Wouldn't have entered that one. This one I might enter. Depends. Let's see. Okay, pretty close. Wouldn't have entered that one. VRTV. Yeah. Nope. This one actually went up today. Yeah, I'm not liking this price action. But yeah, overall, bearish. Could potentially be choppy, even with a recovery day for people taking profits from their shorts. But I'm still leaning bearish here. Looking for shorts and stocks with volume.